In today's video, we are going to learn how to backdate a blog post on your WordPress website, and we're also going to learn how to schedule a post to go out on a later date. If this is the kind of video you are looking for, welcome to my channel. My name is OK, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can utilize the schedule feature of WordPress to schedule your post so that even when you are busy, the post can go out on that day. So let's just get started without wasting any time. So if you are on your WordPress website like I am now, okay, so these are some of the articles I have there. So these are just demo articles, all right? So they are not real content, so it's just a demo installation I made so I can show you this. So as you can see, this article here now, this one is August 11th, this August 11th as well, this is August 10th, this August 6th. Now what we want to do when we say backdate is, for example, somebody can give you an article to publish, like if you run a tech or news blog, and the person said, I want this article to be backdated as if I wrote it like maybe a year ago or some months ago. So that is what I mean by backdating. Okay, so if it's a new article that you are going to write, let me show you how to do it. Then I'll come back here and also show you how to edit the existing article that you have. So let's assume it's a new article that we are going to write. So we'll click on new post as usual. Then we'll come to our editor. We'll put in the title. So let me just call it test title. Okay, so I'll call it test title. Then now after you have written all the necessary content that you need to read, okay, next thing you are going to do now is to come to where you have this publish. Now I'll show you the two, both schedule and backdate, so they just follow the same principle. All right, so I'll come to here where you have this immediately. Okay, so just click this immediately. Now you can now select the date. Now scheduling means let this article go out on a later day in the future. So all you need to do is to come here and select the date of that article. All right, so let's say we want this article to go out maybe September on the 16th, for example, by 9:08 a.m. So that is all I need to do. I'll just exit from here, and you can see that date will change to this depending on the time zone that you are in. And now you notice that this was showing publish before. Now it has changed to schedule. Let me return back so that you can see what. So for me to return back to today's dates, like the exact time I'm writing the article, I click on now. All right, and this button here will change. So let's choose a future date again, and that is September, and you see it will change to schedule. So instead of clicking publish, so once I click schedule like this and I confirm, because I'm using blog editor, so the article has been published. But when you come to the front end here, you cannot see it, because what should appear here is just only articles that are written, that the dates are actually current. Okay, so let's go and confirm if the article, so this is our article, so we'll click on this backend, so we'll click on all articles, so you can see the one we wrote now. So it's showing scheduled here and scheduled for this date. So these other ones, they are already published or as well on the site, so that's why you can see them on the front end here. Now let's assume we want to backdate this article as if it was written on, let's say, last 3 months. Okay, so last 3 months should be, we are in August now, so that should be in July, August, July, June, then May. So let's say May. So we want to assume that this article, we wrote it in May. Okay, so we just come back here the same way. You just come and choose the exact date that you want, and now it will change to publish because the date has already passed, so automatically it will be a published article. So if I click on publish now and I confirm here, so if I go back to my backend and reload it, so you see that that article has changed back, showing that we published it on the 13th. All right, now I showed you how to do it with a new article, which is like you started writing afresh. Okay, now let's assume you want to do it with an existing article. You can actually do it without opening the whole article, without opening the article on a new tab or on a new page to see it in detail. That's actually what I mean. So if you want to just edit it easily without changing any other thing, just the date, you can come to this place where you have on the particular article, come to quick edit. So you click on quick edit and you can see the date here. So if I change it to September again, so let's use that September, let's say September 08. All right, September 08, and that's all I need to do, and I'll click on publish, and that is it. It has changed back to schedule. Now if I want to backdate this one, for example, it was written on August 11th, so I want to backdate it. I'll just come here and change the date. Now let me show you one other thing you want to do. Now, when you are writing article on their website, so if you don't want to publish it yet, so you can actually save the article as a draft. Okay, so you can save it as a draft. Now if you have written the article and you saved it as a draft, let's say switch this back to draft now. So you save it as a draft. So draft means that you have written it, but it's not yet scheduled to publish. So it's pending review. So when you are okay with it, you can publish it. Okay. So if you have such an article that is on draft, all you need to do, let me return back to all our posts and to show you an article that is on draft. So like this now, so you see draft will appear here. So when you wrote it, you are sure that everything is okay and you want it to now go live without opening the article, you just simply click on quick edit and you come to where you have status here and you click on publish, and that is it. When you click on it, please ensure that you click on update, so you can actually allocate another category to the article. If you have other categories, you can allow comments, and you can also separate, add some tags here if you want to. Okay, you can do that as well from here. So everything we did there, you can also do here. Okay, you can actually do everything here. So this is where you add your tag and order. So this will be useful for you if you are the busy type and you have articles you've written and you want it to go out on any day that you want, even when you are not available to publish it. So this will be useful for busy people and also those that do guest posting or publish article for people. You can either schedule or you can also backdate. All right, so I'm sure you found this video helpful. So please like this video, share, comment, drop your questions, and if you have any video idea that you want me to create, please drop it in the comment section. I create videos on website design, SEO, digital tools, and everything that has to do with tech. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.